Hello, dear students. Welcome back here again. Uh, there's a new operating system which name is Kickshare, and it is also a VirtualBox OVA image. Let's try to boot it with the VirtualBox. Click here, File, and Import Appliance. Choose the file which is available in my this directory, kickshare.ova. Then open and next, finish. You need to agree it. Importing appliance. It will be take 1 minute to complete it. Okay, the importing process is complete, and here is the Kickshare XFCE system. Back click, start and normal start. Okay, here. So it have the same option like Honix options, Kickshare or live mode. Let me click on this live mode. Okay, this is the Kicksecure setup wizard. You also need to accept this setting here again. Every time click on next and then finish. And here you have the same interface like the Honix system. You can say that this is the alternate version of the Honix. Search here Tor browser. I think the Tor is not available in this system. Let me search here anything. Okay, YouTube and search engine is working here. So that's it. What is the interface of Kicksecure? You can see here everything, all applications. Okay, shut down this operating system. Okay. And that's it for this video.